What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock price action, guys. Is Tesla going to go much lower from where it is right now, or is this the start of a new bottom formed? And if Tesla can go up from here, what is in the price action we have to see? So we'll talk about all of that in this video. I also want to take you over a lot of Tesla news that has come out as for the price upgrades and downgrades. And as you know, analysts like to just chase the price. They will keep upgrading it when the price is moving higher. They will keep downgrading it when the price is moving lower. That's all what they do. We won't emphasize on that too much, but just I want to share that that's the information out there. There's not all the downgrades. You will be amazed. There are still some bulls standing strong, big hedge funds with their price targets in the $300 range. So we'll talk about all of that and also take you over the options data, how things are looking like today. All right. So with that, please remember, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. Also, please hit the like and subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful. So guys, I want to first start off with the some of the news that we have. So Tesla shareholders expected, yeah, here we go, this glitch on TradingView, sorry guys. Tesla shareholders expected to reapprove CEO Musk's 2018 compensation plan, Wedbush says. So this is after, in Delaware, Elon Musk compensation plan and move the company's state of incorporation to Texas from Delaware because, there was all this, shenanigans. Someone brought up a case that $56 billion award, it's not worth it to be avoided. And it was so hilarious that one plaintiff or the front lead on this was represented by many lawyers, and later when the lawyers won this case, they were asking that the fees should be paid in Tesla stock in millions. So that just felt like completely a made-up scheme against Elon Musk, all these lawyers trying to, get rich and make money off of this case. Who knows? Delaware judge might be on that as well. Who knows, guys? These days, nothing shocks me anymore. But anyways, so yeah, that's the news that, board will have the reapproval sent, and it will be, I think, when incorporation, Elon has moved to Texas. So all right, that's one of the news. The other one I want to talk about is Cathie Wood keeps buying Tesla stock as it falls. So she's buying, she's loving it, she's loading it up because even after downgrades, so for example, we have, here we go, down here, the average analyst, well, not that one, sorry. Barclays analyst Dan Levi on Wednesday cut his price target to $180 from $225. This is the same thing over here as well. That is the one I want to cover with you. But it's not all bad, okay? So yeah, we are seeing that the downgrades are happening. Cathie Wood is buying, that's great. But that's what I'm saying. Don't take analysts as like, oh, this is what is going to happen now. Because here's the thing, look at it. Tesla is maintained at outperformed by Baird. Price target maintained at $280 per share by Baird, okay? And also RBC lowers price target, but only to 294 from 290. It keeps outperform rating. Their RBC is more bullish than even Baird, okay? So it's not all negative, okay? So we have still these big hedge funds, big corporations being bullish on Tesla. So, but we will work with the technicals here, okay? And we'll go through that. And just take that as a grain of salt. I just want to show you what's out there. I don't really go by the analysts. I like to do technicals. You know that very well as you have been seeing my videos. So we'll stick with the technicals, guys, okay? So now Tesla, what is doing today? So at one point it was going quite high up really nicely at 158 plus almost. And let's actually start off with my day trading bot because it is doing still fairly well even on the downtrend with Tesla stock. So let me load that up. And where's my day trading bot? Here's my day trading bot. So yeah, all profitable position today, net profitable and looking great. Again, nothing is guaranteed, guys. You can see there are red days as well, but we are net profitable on day trading bot as well for the last 30 trades on Tesla. Nothing is guaranteed. These are only educational tools. If you need access to my tools, links to my tools are in the description below of this video. I have two indicators, two trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. All right, just wanted to show you that. So things are looking good here. Now, talking about the price action, let's go to the hourly interval first. So, okay, let's start off with the daily interval. Sorry, guys. And I can see in the post market it's selling off right now as well. But on the daily interval, I want to draw first some confluences. You know, we have Tesla below 20 days moving average, below 50 days moving average, and 200 days moving average is hanging up somewhere up here, right? We are below 200 days moving average as well. Now, what we are looking at? We do have this gap to the upside. Remember what I said yesterday, that Tesla is going to be still bearish. Yes, it's bearish, guys. I'm still not, even though day trading bot showed those profits, gave the profitable positions, but those are intraday trades. Those are day trading. But on the direction of Tesla for days and weeks, we are still in the downtrend. We are, lower highs, lower lows, and we have this overhead resistance over here, right? And this is what I have been talking about, that unless and until Tesla can't get above that, we are still in the downtrend. You can see in the pre-market we went a little bit higher, all the way up there. I talked about there's a possibility we might test underneath of this area of resistance, and then we sold off. We throughout the day, we did find this double bottom right today, and we went up, and my day trading bot picked up on this and made the good profitable move as well. But then after that, in the post market and in the last couple of hours, we are still selling off on Tesla, even on hourly intervals. So what does it mean? So the thing is, well, it means we are bearish. So Tesla, if Tesla would even have closed a little bit high up here, 158, that would have been a good sign for tomorrow, testing this overhead resistance of $160 to 163, and possibly by Friday seeing if we can get out of it. But right now, the way price has closed, looks like Tesla wants to go much lower. Okay, 152 is another level you are watching for that downside possibly. But before that, going further, I want to actually draw a couple of more trend lines here for the near term that you can follow if you like. And so this is another area, guys, that closer trend line. There is definitely that bottom of the channel that is on the daily interval, bigger channel, also on the weekly interval. But lately on the near term, it's also following this trend line, and it has a parallel channel with a little bit to the upside as well. Here we go. So I don't want to focus on too much on these narrow channels, but just something to just put it in your arsenal of trying to trade across these channels as well is just helpful. So that's that. So what are the areas possibly Tesla can come down to tomorrow? Yeah, 152 looks like, even 148. Let's see if it continues to fall. In my opinion, if it continue to fall, guys, yes, 148, we might be looking at this tomorrow. I won't be surprised if Tesla comes to 133. Look, Tesla has its earnings, okay, coming next week on Tuesday. Now, earnings this time, you just never know, right, how Wall Street is going to take it. But earnings will change the technicals, either for the worse, more worse, or for the good. When I say for the more worse, that would mean that you can expect Tesla to brutally gap down, and then we will see what happens. Right now, this is your another hope, $152 due to this previous price action reaction. So if tomorrow we get, that's why I wanted to see a green close today for the upside potentially, but unfortunately that didn't happen. This channel, the closer channel, just take it as less of an importance. The more importance you have to give is the bigger channel down there. But yeah, tomorrow, right now, well, Tesla is still not bullish, guys, in the structure as what it is. It's not even showing the change in the structure that it started to show back up here. We talked about all of that. We were getting some double bottoms and all of that structure. We got those upsides as well. You have if you have been seeing my videos, you have followed through my positions as well that I have been taking on Tesla. Well, now, right now, it all comes down to, I think, earnings. And I think until then, Tesla is in the sell-off pressure, and this thing may continue much lower, I guess, just due to this earnings pressure, or just all in all, even the technicals, not just earnings pressure, but technicals. Right now, we are bearish. If we are not above 160 by this week, by the end of this week, then we are not bullish, guys, going into the earnings. And then we will see what earnings does to Tesla. So yeah, buckle up, guys, buckle up. Okay. Okay, so you have all the levels, the sentiment as well. Yeah, what to watch on Tesla. So even for tomorrow, yeah, it's already breaking all those levels, guys. Tomorrow, we can only be expecting Tesla to become bullish if it can, stay above, first of all, 155 and regain 157. Then Friday, you have a chance again to the upside. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, right now, it looks like as if it breaks tomorrow $153 level, this would be coming down to 148 and maybe lower than 148. So, oh, how did I come to Nvidia here? Sorry, guys. Let's go back to Tesla. Nvidia is also in a bloodbath. I'll talk about Nvidia in one more video today that I'll do. I did one video on Nvidia this morning as well, but I'll be doing another video as after Tesla on Nvidia as well. So, all right, guys. So that's what. Yeah, Tesla can come down to 148 tomorrow. Let's see, and maybe below that as well. Depends on how it breaks the structure level 153. But yeah, right now it's not bullish unless it recaptures the levels like 157 and above. So, and also this red resistance between 160 and 164. Okay. So that's the sentiment on Tesla, guys, in my opinion. I want to take you over some of the options data. So real quick, bright green is the options data from today, and the dark green are from, well, bright green is the options call data from today, and the dark green is from the previous days from the weekend, and same for the red, which is the bright red, the puts option. I know red is not very distinguishable, but you can still make a sense out of it. I'll try to be more having a contrast here from the other videos, but and yeah, white line is today's closing price, and these little bit darker green line, I sorry didn't make them. I want to make them actually. Let me actually change the color real quick, guys, to gray so that it doesn't confuse us, right? So okay, that's all good. Okay, so all right, so what am I seeing, guys? I'm still seeing high open calls interest sitting. I also see that 170 calls increased again than yesterday and previous days. Puts haven't, yes, we have high puts here which are in the money, but I'm not seeing much, the increase in the puts. I'm still seeing heavy calls. Now, I'm not quite sure, like these calls are still increasing. I'm not quite sure if Thursday and Friday things are going to really change on Tesla or what's going to happen, because these are the expirations for this week. So it's not that it's through for the earnings and people are really betting on the upside. So, but we'll see how many of them gets rolled over. But yeah, this is a little bit not fitting in with the price action. Yeah, I'm seeing more calls and less puts. I mean, at least out of the money. So I'm seeing puts here as well, like which are in the money, but they're still less than what the calls are, guys. So yeah, this is what it is, guys. This is the options data. We'll see. Things are really that it just helps me in just to know where the people are betting their money on the options. Just because we have options data in one side doesn't mean the price is going to go there. It's just where the the traders are betting their money. I'm also seeing this increase in calls today at 167 and 50 cents from last couple of days. I'm even seeing an increase at $160 calls, quite a lot. Wow, so traders are still playing a lot of calls on Tesla, more than puts, but price is falling. So yeah, but that's how the market is looking like, guys. Just the data to share. Interesting, right? Guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. These are only educational tools, guys. There is guarantee of nothing. And I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. Okay, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Bye.